Welcome to the daily meditation. I hope you enjoy this guided meditation for burnout. To begin, sit comfortably with good posture and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through the nose to a count of 4. And pause for 4. Breathe out through the mouth for 4. Pause for 4 and repeat. Now let us remind ourselves that for the next 10 minutes or so, all we shall be doing is sitting, breathing, meditating, and allowing ourselves a few precious moments just to relax. Continuing to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Noticing the gentle sensation of the breath flowing through the body. Not forcing the breath, simply observing it coming and going. If you are new to meditation, you might like to place the palm of one of your hands on your abdomen. Then you can feel the gentle expansion of your abdomen on the in-breath and the contraction on the out-breath. For now, just continuing to observe that smooth, gentle flow of the breath through the body. Remembering this is just a precious few minutes, just a little space of time to let us relax and let go. Simply observing the breath moving through the body. From time to time, your mind might try to tell you that you are not doing enough, that you ought to do more. But remember that you deserve these precious moments of relaxation. You have earned these moments of quiet, and for now all you must do is simply observe the breath as it continues to gently flow through your body. From time to time, you might become distracted by an unwanted thought or feeling. This is normal and natural. If you do experience thoughts or feelings, imagine that they are like leaves on a stream, just coming and going, flowing off into the distance as you continue to sit and breathe. Notice how simple this present moment is. Notice how simple it is just to be, just to sit here for a few moments breathing. It is a quiet moment that you have earned, and you deserve this peacefulness that is growing inside of you. Notice that feeling of peacefulness as you continue to breathe in and out. There is a growing feeling of peacefulness and quiet. Notice how within you there is a space of absolute quiet. It is an empty space. Do you see? It is a space of complete purity and peacefulness. Allow yourself to go to that space of quiet emptiness within. This quiet space full of peace is your sanctuary. Let yourself be there in the safety of that sanctuary of inner peace within. This is your space. This is your place. It is a special place just for you. It is perfect in its purity. It is filled with nothing but quiet, empty energy. And as you bask in that place of inner peace, notice how a feeling of ease flows over you. There is a feeling of ease upon your body and ease upon your mind. Allow yourself to focus on that feeling of ease, on that feeling of inner peace. It is a calmness that you have earned, and as you stay here in your sanctuary of peace, your mind becomes calm and clear. Your mind is becoming calm and clear. You may stay here for as long as you like, in this space of peacefulness, this space of quiet. And know that whenever things become stressful, whenever life becomes a little too noisy, a little too much, your sanctuary will be there, and you may go to this quiet space of inner peace and spend a little while there restoring your spirits. For now, take solace in the knowledge that wherever you go and wherever you may be, you carry with you this sanctuary of inner peace. Soon this guided meditation will come to an end, but feel free to continue to sit and to embrace the calmness. And if you would like my help overcoming burnout, I invite you to join me for a private meditation session on thedailymeditation.com. Thank you for listening.